Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple and effective way to fix the issue where Skate 4 refuses to load on your PC. To get started, open File Explorer and head over to this PC. Then open your local disk, C. From there, go into the Program Files folder and locate the EA directory. Inside it, open the AC folder and find the EA Anti-Cheat installer. Double-click to launch it. Once the installer opens, click the Game Selection drop-down at the top and choose Skate from the list. Now select Repair, and when you're asked to pick the Skate game folder, simply locate it and click Select Folder to confirm. The repair process will now begin automatically. Just wait for it to complete. After it's done, close the installer and restart your computer. Once your system reboots, launch Skate 4 again and check if the problem has been fixed. And that's it. This quick method usually resolves the Skate 4 not loading issue for most players. If this helped you out, make sure to like the video, drop a comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.